Supplementary causeless, pronouncement of judgment, item number 1.
Well, I'm just reading the last one. There is no merit in this present given and it's dismissed.
Item number 2.
In view of the discussion made above, it would be improper to allow continuation of further investigation against the petitioner on the basis of the impugned FIR dated 18/2000. Hence, the same is set aside in cost. Prevention stands allowed.
Obliged.
Any mention?
Yes, sir, Mr. Upadhyay.
Back to mention item number 8, Lordship. I pray the matter may come up after 2 weeks.
No
Lordship.
objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes, on the request made on the appellant. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, Your Lordship. Item number 5, Your Lordship.
Item number 5.
Yes, Your Lordship. My humble prayer, Your Lordship, that the matter may come out after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
You are also there. Nakwa matter. Just say on the request made on behalf of the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Yes, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention item number 2.
Item number 2.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, what happened?
Lordship, senior counsel is out of station, Your Lordship. I pray for.
You argued the matter.
I appear for the private respondent's lodge.
And you are opposing his prayer.
It's a quite long pending matter, Lord.
Yes. He has objection. We will not adjourn.
Lordship, kindly allow. I pray, Your Lordship.
See, there is only few matters in the list. We will see, we will start the matter, we will see what is there. And then if required, we will adjourn it.
Lordship, even the counsel assisting senior counsel is on leave, Your Lordship.
That is okay. You were there. Isn't it? You can tell us the matter, we will just see. And who knows, we may not require senior also.
Lordship, can 2 more weeks accommodation, Your Lordship. Item 2 and 3 are connected, Your Lordship.
Okay. Just say 2 and 3. The request made by the petitioner, this is matter after 2 weeks. This is issue 2017 matter. Why should it be kept pending unnecessarily?
Obliged.
Yes.
Mail is item number 1.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 4. Your Lordship.
Wait. When it matter comes.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, affidavit of service has already been filed, your Lordship, on the 14th February.
In respect of respondent number, only the respondent number 5 is
Only
yet
five,
to
Lordship.
appear. What the affidavit says, it has been served.
Yes, sir.
And then nobody is appearing for respondent number 5.
Nobody,
Anyone?
Lordship.
Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits the affidavit, bringing a record. The effectum of service of notice upon the respondent number 5 has been filed. Supported by an affidavit issued by the postal supported by a certificate issued by the postal Meghalaya Postal Division Department of Post, Meghalaya Postal Department, just use as a postal department. Certifying the service of notice upon the respondent number 5. Step. However, none appears for respondent number 5 when the matter was called out today. Then what is to be done?
Let the matter fix for hearing, your Lordship.
Give a paragraph. The parties appear, the counsels appears from the
Lordship.
respective parties.
Lordship, we will wait for respondent number 5 to appear, your Lordship.
This will remain open whenever respondent number 5 deems it proper, they will come and appear. It's a criminal matter. There is no question of passing any order for ex parte proceeding. That will remain open.
Okay, Lordship.
The learned counsel appearing for the parties submit that the matter is ready for hearing. This is matter for hearing after when?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks,
your
Lordship.
Lordship.
Oblige, Lordship.
Oblige, your Lordship.
Item number 4.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, I have filed the affidavit bringing on record the status of the recruitment, Lordship.
Yes.
The selection process has been completed. Now the candidates have been distributed with the appointment letters, appointment orders.
So matter has become infructuous then.
Now nothing remains now.
So we will close
Everything is completed.
We'll close the matter.
In that school in question, one selected candidate has been posted, Lordship.
What is the prayer made in this writ petition?
To appoint the petitioner in the school, in one school. Lordship, he does not have the qualification also.
Let us see. Just let us go slow.
Yes. Prayer is page 10. Page 10.
Lordship, I beg to mention here that we had only pleaded to consider the representation of the petitioner and not the appointment.
What happened to response number 4?
Respondent number 4 is the subdivisional school officer.
He was temporarily appointed.
Respondent number 5, Lordship. Temporary, on temporary, appointed on temporary basis.
4 or 5?
Respondent number 5, Lordship. 4 is the official, department official.
Abu Tahir is what?
Abu Tahir is respondent number 5, Lordship. He was appointed on temporary basis. Now, Lordship, this selected candidate, now he'll have to leave, Lordship.
Whether you have given issued appointment?
Yes,
letter?
yes. Appointment letters have been issued.
Where is your affidavit?
Affidavit I filed on the 13 Feb. Of Feb.
Yes.
Lordship, paragraph 3. Paragraph 3. The department further submits that the recruitment process of government LP school assistant teachers and the Dadangri subdivision West Garo Hills is completed. The interview has been conducted successfully and the government has accorded approval for appointment at the place of posting of the newly selected candidate teachers. The appointment orders accordingly have been distributed to the newly recruited teachers in the program held in Tura on 9 February 2024. Now one person has been posted in that school, Lodge.
Where is that? Which one?
It's at page 11, the list of the place of posting. Page 11, serial number 21, Lodge.
Arjuma Rahman.
Yes, Anjumar Rahman, Hershakandi LP school. Now he'll have to leave. That respondent 5 will have to vacate, leave, Lodge.
Whether this new person has joined?
Yes, Lordship. So the appointment letter was issued on the since 9 of February.
So you can record your submission that he has joined.
He must have joined, Lordship, since 9
Do not say
February.
must have. We do not have anything as must have. Either you say you know or you say you do not know.
I think they have joined. Because the appointment letters have been
So
issued.
we'll record that he have said it is joined. They have joined. If anything goes wrong, then you will be responsible.
Then I'll just get the instruction to confirm it, Lordship.
You must know it before making a submission. When? Next week?
Next week, Lordship.
But then your case is only for consideration and presentation.
Yes, Lordship.
Then what remains now? If somebody has been appointed, then what remains there? If at all you have given, that will be a fresh cause of action for you.
Consideration of the representation also will not arise now, Lord.
Was it not a post for reserved for that
No.
disabled person?
No.
It was unreserved post.
Yes. Unreserved. Unreserved, Lordship. You are.
Lordship,
You are.
may I take your attention to paragraph 7 of the writ petition? Here it has been mentioned that the issue addressed to the Commission of the Persons with Disabilities and the Annexure 17, page 48.
What is paragraph 7?
States here that the petitioner begs to state and bring to the attention of this Honorable Court of the fact that as early as the 7th April 2011, the respondent number 2 had issued address to the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, informing inter alia that there was one post reserved for the disabled at Dadingri which could not be filled. It's Annexure 17, page 48.
Page
48.
48.
Paragraph 4, if I may read. As regards the case of the petitioner, I would like to inform that there was one post reserved for the disabled at Dadingre which could not be filled till date, as the committee did not recommend any disabled candidates. Perhaps there was no eligible candidate in the subdivision. Similarly, with the case of other district subdivision except Ampati, where there was one candidate. One post for the disabled have been filled.
Yes, Mr. Kharmi, if that be the thing, then how?
No, I filed one affidavit. I filed, Lordship. It was filed on the 2nd October 2021. Here I have given my additional affidavit filed on 22nd October 2021. Lordship.
22nd October
21.
2021. By Ruby Zaddas.
Yes, Lordship, by Ruby Z. Das,
Yes.
Deputy Director.
Yes.
The relevant paragraph start from paragraph 4, Lordship. Paragraph 4 onward. It's a very short affidavit, Lordship. Paragraph 4. And that the petitioner has filed the petition seeking direction to the state government to consider the representation of the petitioner dated 14 May 2016 for being appointed as assistant LP teacher at Persakandi Government LP School in place of Shri Nurul Haq, and has also sought setting aside of the appointment order dated 1st April 2016 of respondent number 5. Paragraph 5. That the petitioner has averted in the petition that he is a differently able person having 60% non-progressive locomotor disability in his body and is orthopedically handicapped with 60% disability. Paragraph 6. That is submitted that the petitioner has relied upon OM number so-and-so dated 30th October 2006, whereby it has been provided that reservation shall be made in the existing percentage of reservation of posts in the category of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo in the following manner.
Come to paragraph 9.
Paragraph 9. Paragraph 9. That it is submitted that the affidavit was filed by the state government on 14 September 2020. However, there is no specific clarity on the issue raised by this Honorable Court. The deponent humbly submitted herein that there is no post access for disabled person at the Dengre.
So if
But
that be the
Lordship,
thing,
this
then
is contradictory to the
that is
to
they are
our
clarifying
lectures.
that is a communication. Earlier was only as communication by certain officer. The director says that there is a vacancy for disabled person.
Yes.
But then that stands clarified by this affidavit.
Paragraph 11 also that the petitioner submitted the petitioner is not qualified for appointment to the post as he has not passed the MTED examination.
But Lordship, the person who held the post who was still employed, was also not qualified.
That is
For this
correct. But
very
then
advertisement.
now he is nowhere.
Yes.
After the recommendation of the new name,
Now he has
is
to
nowhere.
leave. And it was made on as a stopgap arrangement.
But Lordship, here the government committed illegalities by appointing the teacher who was teaching on a contract basis, even though it was just few months, but he continued till date.
No, but then once it is over, that episode is over, what can we do now?
But they
Cannot
had
go back to
committed.
the period for which he has served.
Yes.
But that will not give you relief. We cannot say that you see, like you have to be appointed from backdated.
No, Lordship.
Then this matter becomes infructuous. We'll close it.
So, Lordship, if another date can be fixed for the government to bring on record whether the person appointed is.
They have given annexed to this thing. You have not given the copy.
I have given
Yes.
it. I have given.
See that annexure wherein somebody has been
Appointed, yes,
Posted
but
in
whether
that
he's
school.
joined the post or not.
posted in that school. What you will get by keeping this matter alive? You will not get any relief.
The appointment orders, they have been distributed.
See, if your
In a
prayer is
function.
confined only to the disposal of a representation, then what more relief you expect from here? And then right to file representation, even it will remain with you also. Even if this case is closed, you will have always liberty to file a fresh representation if you still feel aggrieved.
Lordship, kindly come to page 17 of the my affidavit, which I have filed on recently on the 13th Feb.
The last affidavit.
The last affidavit, Lordship, filed on 13th Feb. Page 17, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is the order whereby a date was fixed for the program to distribute the appointment letters, appointment orders. It was distributed by the Education Minister on the 9th of Feb 2024.
Yes. Yes.
Your Honor, Lordship, can you just give us one more date, just for clarification whether the appointed person has joined the place of posting?
And if the appointed person doesn't join, then what will happen?
Lordship,
What relevancy you should have here?
I have no instructions on that, Lordship. Yes, Mr. JM, thank you, was not able to be present today. He had taken his father-in-law for dialysis.
See, Mr. Khanwi, this is a proposed place of posting, page 11.
Yes. But it has been approved, Lordship. It has
How
been
do you
approved.
say?
Approval orders there.
You just give us the details when this person has joined there. And whether
Approval
this
orders
H1
there.
number, you just tell us one thing that will be more specific. You just say whether the person named has already joined or not? And second thing, whether the respondent number 5 is still continuing.
Yes.
Just give us.
But it has been approved. Approval order also I have enclosed, Lordship.
Where is
Page 18. Page 18. Approval from the government addressed to the director. Page 18. In inviting reference subjects and letters cited above, I am directed to convey the government's approval for appointment and place of newly recruited assistant teacher and posting of the newly recruited assistant teacher in government lower SP school.
Then after that, where is the issuance of appointment order then? See, this is 1st February.
Yes.
You take information whether that person has been.
Yeah, I'll get that instruction.
Mr. Rich Karmi, Learned Counsel, in the state submits that an affidavit to bring on bringing on record the latest position with regard to the recruitment of the assistant teacher in government LP school. In the government LP school in question.
Yes, sir. Government LP school. One person has been posted in that school.
That is okay. The court is asking about the name of the school.
Yes.
What did you say? In assistant teacher in question in Parsha County Government LP School has been filed. Stop. He submits that as per the said affidavit 1 Timothy Arjuma Rahman. Just see at page 11, 21. Timothy Arjuma Rahman has been appointed in the same post.
Let it come next week on the Monday or Tuesday. I can get it.
That view of the matter. And that view of the matter, there remains nothing to be decided in the writ petition. The Learned Counsel may appear for the petitioner ask for grant of some time for taking instruction in the matter. Yes. Prayer allowed. List after
1 week, Lordship. 1 week. Next week itself also.
1 week.
1 week.
Will do.
See, if something doesn't give you any
Yes.
fruit, then what is the question of keeping
Yes.
it pending? List after a week.
Obliged, Lordship.
It's obliged.
Item number 6.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the instruction from the department, Lordship, we are awaiting for that, Lordship, as regard to the response to be filed.
You have already filed affidavit to bring on record the entire
You require
development.
some more time for that.
Yes, Lordship.
But then this is a matter, see, like it's not a very complicated kind of thing. Seeking instruction whether what happened to the appeal pendency of the appeal. That is the only thing, the short.
It's been 20 months, my lord.
Hmm?
More than 20 months.
That
It's
is
been
one
more than
question.
20 months.
The problem here is that, you see,
They are just sitting on it.
anyway, this instruction is necessary. Let us see, because if something is pending before some other authority, this court would definitely not like to step into that. Okay, please. A Pradhan Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent. Praise for grant of some more time. Yes, Dr. Mujika, what happened? Do you have any instruction with regard to the.
But I've sent it to department. I have not received. But by next week it comes, my lord. I'll have instruction.
So please take care. We'll just finish it. Why to keep it pending? If that be the contention, if it is at all correct that the appeal is pending, we will not entertain this petition. So that has to be ascertained only.
Next week, my lord. This is some fault on my part. My lord.
Just continue. Just enter his name along with so and so. What is it? Granite DSGA. Submits that he has not received any instruction in response to the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner, and prays for grant of some time. Prays for grant of 1 week's time, just say. Just say prayer allowed, list of prayer. Okay.
Item number 7.
Duty applies.
Yes.
May I please receive? I received the conducting council is indisposed today, so I'm praying 2 weeks time.
Yes.
The conducting council is our station.
Out of station.
Yes.
Who is the conducting council?
ASDK.
So you can conduct. You are here for court sometimes. Let us see what is the matter.
But you receive, I have
Let's
done
see if you have any difficulty, the counsel of respondent will assist you.
Your Lordship, the arguing counsel from my side is also my senior Lordship.
He is not there.
No, Your Lordship.
Then we will proceed ex parte. He will argue the matter, we will grant him the relief.
Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, 2 weeks time, Your Lordship. 2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
It's a golden opportunity. See, other side is not there. And court will give you whatever you want. Even then, you do not want to do. What is the case about?
Your Lordship, this is the case regarding with proceeding under 145, Your Lordship. We are challenging the other parts of the executive magistrate, Your Lordship.
145 proceeding.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Dispute over possession.
Yes, Your Lordship. And that order, Your Lordship, was restraining from both parties to enter in the land, Your Lordship. That's why we're coming here, Your Lordship.
So other side is not agreed by that.
I have no idea, but both of us, Your Lordship, we have been.
Who is appearing for the other side? Who is appearing? Who is senior counsel appearing?
Mr. Philemon Nangri, Your Lordship.
Mr. Philemon Nangri.
Yes, Lordship.
Where is he?
He's indisposed as well, Your Lordship.
No other matter after this? You are carrying the brief with you?
No, Your Lordship.
Very bad.
Yes. Sorry, apologize. Your Lordship.
This is something should not be done.
Can you give us 2 weeks, Your Lordship, in the next day we'll do it.
Okay, on the request made on the joint request made by the parties. This matter after 2 weeks. Small matters you take up. These are the matters to be argued by the junior, not by senior. 107, 145. These proceedings, seniors are not required. These are argued. We grew up that way only.
Next day, Your Lordship, we'll do.
And you should avail the opportunity of doing things.
Yes.
Why to take adjournment for on the ground that senior is absent? Senior is absent.
Okay.